Good morning, adventure seekers! Orcutt Derelicts Car Show, the Peenscower Pook Swiss Army knife vehicle, heading off early. Got their donuts ready and they're heading out. 72 Peenscower, Switzerland Swiss Army knife vehicle. Oh, we got the cars out today, Super Bowl Sunday. You ready for the big game? Some Honda actions here. Type R, nice engine, cleaned up well. S2000, high rev and crazy Honda racer. Honda's over here, got them lined up. Little Ricky racing Hondas, the VW vans. Even got the air conditioning on this one. Cruising on in with the Impala. That's one beautiful machine right there. Right, let's see what else we got. There's some newbies here today. Make sure I get them. Oh, I don't see this one here too often. Red Ferrari. Oh, fun stuff. What a serious machine this one is. Gotta like that. Ferrari of San Francisco, 458 Spider. Yowza. Old school Scooby-Doo, man. Nice yellow. Sizable. Old school Ford. Another Ford. Mustang action. This old red pickup truck. Step side Ford. Looking good. Gotta like that. Get a close-up. Serious Impala. Man, take a whole can of wax to make this look this beautiful. Looking good. That is one sweet looking ride. Liking it. Cool looking pickup truck. Don't see those too often. Old school Dodge. Some real work done on this beast. The one you don't see very often, SRT Dodge, 700 horsepower, SRT Cherokee. How's it? Grand Cherokee Beast. Like that. Another Ricky Racer, the GT 350 Cobra Snake. Like that. Nice looking burgundy. Little Impala cruising in, convertible action. They are out. Bring what you got. We want to see it. Corner of Clark and Bradley every Sunday. Derelicts are out. 805 Customs rolling in. Sounding mean. 56 Chevy Apache. 805 Customs, man, sounding good. Felix Chevrolet Mobile. Liking that. Look at that Impala. All right, let's see what the crazy youngsters bought today. Even rides the go-kart in. Talk about a danger man. You are the danger man. Jesse James, outlaw. That's right. Screamer. All right. That's right. The T-bag, one of my favorite. The old Walter. T-bucket. Love this machine. Cool Chevy action here. I like that. I don't even know what year it is, but it's a cool one. All right. School Suburban. Some real work out of that beast. Another quick look at this beast. It is sounding nice. Love that. Ghost Flames. Another light Christian Car Club car. Looking good. Ready to hit the trail. 63 Buick. Lowered big time. Love that metal flake. The Riviera styling, man. 63 looking good. Cool paint job.
Thank you.
Sparkling. Sparkled. Got a nice bright white Chevy Camaro. Nice. Corvette. In progress. Buick. Not Buick. Chevrolet. We're talking about. Nice blue though. That's what I was thinking. Blue. Old Farts Racing Team. That is one beautiful paint job on that thing. Veteran, thank you for your service. 2015 Slingshot. Little Bob Mobile. Get you where you need to go with a lot of fun. Apache. 31 Chevrolet. Nice color on that. 1956. 31 Bic. Gotta love this one. Talk about a sweet ride. Check out the meats on the back of that thing. Love that engine. Dialed in. That thing is one mean machine. Good looking El Camino too. And that engine looking good. Love the paint job. And the raspberry creamsicle. Built from the ground up. They are rolling in today, folks. Rolling in. Looking good. That red. Another nice looking ride. Bel Air action. Retired Air Force. Thank you for your service. What are looking? Raspberry creamsicle Chevy 20. Did a great job on this engine, hiding all the wires, nice intake. Good job. Real light. Christian Car Club. Chevy Cruiser. The Chevy Impala. Looking good. Nice stance on that beast. 1841. Looking good. Nice lines on that beast. Special Deluxe. Another deluxe machine right there. You can watch TV in the back seat with that antenna. Why not? Like that. Got them out. Of course, loopers. 4. Love that. Paint job. Dialed in. Sweet. Let's see what else we got going on here. M2 BMW. I don't think I've seen that around too much. Good looking machine. The old Cybertruck even sneaking in on me. I've seen a few of those around town. Old Cybertruck. No wrap on this one, but still looks pretty good. Foundation series. Nice. Top of the line Cybertruck. Yes, 396. Look at that. Chevelle. Sounded good cruising on in. Little Arizona Mad Bombers 55. Bel Air, black and white. See this machine. Looking good. VW Beetle. United States Marine Corps. Thank you for your service. Gotta like that. Oh, GMC truck. For sale. Sierra Grande. There's a number. Give them a call. Could be yours. Alright, adventure seekers. Orcutt Derelicts car show every Sunday morning. 8 to 10. Give away the prizes at 10. It's free to enter. Bring what you got. We'll sign you up. You might win something. You might see something. You might learn something. Come on down. Show us what you got. Check out Ida's Ride. Business coupe. Built from the ground up by Ray, the car building machine. That 1937. Looking good. Another one built by Ray, 72. Pickup truck. Tiled in. This machine. I like this one. SS. One fast LS3 machine. Old school Ford action. Back when they built cars with style. Another nice looking ride. Love that red. Thing pops. School Ford. Check out the engine on this one. Yowza. That thing's beautiful. Done a great job on this Impala. Liking it. Sweet. Looking good. Hey. It's one good looking ride, man. Hey. That thing's sweet. Little Harley action. Honda Civics. Good looking color on that Civic. Another Civic, no biggie. SI. Civics are out. Street racing, Porsche Carrera S. Good. Got the Subarus. GLIs. Tear it up with that Datsun, man. He's got it. He's got it in there. He ain't messing around. Give me my donuts and give me my donut now. Oh, you guys dialed this one in. That looks nice. I'm messing around. Subarus are out. Alright, keep up with a little walk around here. Love the looks of this Chevy truck. Liking it. Some more cool cars out today. Hey, puppy. See the security system of this thing? Dodge. Chevrolet Malibu SS. Good looking stance on this beast. El Camino SS. Good looking ride right there. Love the body made on this thing. Change it from 2 windows in the back to 1. Nice looking blue. Beautiful interior. Good job on that restoration. Another Chevy Camino. Let's see what else we got going on here today. They're out. Good turnout so far. Cruising on in with the Mercury. City of Saints. Looking good. Monte Carlo. Old school cruising ride. Check this out. 1946. Sweet looking paint job on this thing. Love it. School Ford cool. Way to do it. Cruise in style. Another car that never quite made it. Chevy Geo Tracker. Don't see too many of these beasts around anymore. That's for sure. Crazy little design. Never quite made it. Nice looking convertible. That. All out action. See that green too much. Good looking color. Liking it. Style. VW work truck. Look at that. Cruising style. Collectible machine. Actually get some work done with it. School VW. Nice rack. Serious amount of windows, man. Skyscraper time. Hondas again. Three racing boys are out. Little features put onto this one. Little feature added. Lexus needs some attention. Needs some air in the tire too. Right, sneaking in a little late. Of this 1940 beast. Ghost flames, paint job, custom hood. Interior's looking beautiful. That is one beautiful street ride. And we got the Nova. Yes, barn find, 1966. Only 800 original miles, believe it or not. I like that. All right, adventure seekers. Remember, get yourself on down. Corner Clark and Bradley every Sunday morning. We want to see what you got. Bring it out. Good looking Z28. Orange with a black stripe action. Looking at engine's done up right. That thing clean. Another clean machine. 3100 Chevy pickup truck, step size. Love the blue. Beautiful looking ride. 64 Ford Ranchero. Up against the El Camino. Another good looking Impala. Keeping that thing shined up. Beautiful red and white. Central Coast Cruiser. Couple other ones, not sure I got. Love that metal flake. Got the patina machines. The deluxe ride. The deluxes, the special deluxes. Palas. Another patina machine. Looking at Guadalupe action. VW van, boys are out. Looking good. Window machine.